Are you planning a trip to the Bahamas? With its beautiful beaches, crystal clear waters, and exciting nightlife, the Bahamas is the perfect vacation spot. But before you go, make sure you know all the essential tips for having the perfect getaway. Here are the top 10 must-know tips for getting the most out of your Bahamas trip. Number 1. Travel documents and visa requirements. Before you plan your trip to the Bahamas, it's essential to ensure that you have all the necessary travel documents and understand the visa requirements. For most visitors, a valid passport is sufficient to enter the country. However, it's recommended to check the visa requirements based on your nationality and the duration of your stay. Make sure your passport is valid for at least 6 months beyond your planned departure date. Additionally, it's advisable to carry a photocopy of your passport and other important travel documents in case of any loss or theft. Number 2. Best time to visit. The Bahamas, a dream destination with stunning beaches and vibrant culture, is best visited from December to April, during the dry season. Enjoy pleasant weather, mid-70s to mid-80s Fahrenheit, and low humidity for outdoor activities. Expect crowds and higher prices due to peak tourism. For a quieter experience with possible occasional rain, consider November and May. Avoid the hurricane season from June to November, as the risk of tropical storms and hurricanes is higher, despite the tempting deals. Choose wisely to make the most of your Bahamas adventure. Number 3. Currency and money matters. When traveling to the Bahamas, be aware of the Bahamian dollar, BSD, as the official currency, pegged to the US dollar at 1-to-1. Both currencies are widely accepted. Exchange some currency before your trip or upon arrival at banks, exchange offices, or the airport. Carry cash, as not all places accept credit cards, especially in remote areas. ATMs are available in most towns and tourist spots, but may have fees or withdrawal limits. Tipping is customary but not mandatory. Around 15% to 20% at restaurants and a few dollars for excellent hotel service is appreciated. Understand these money matters to enjoy your trip worry-free. Number 4. Transportation in the Bahamas. Transportation options in the Bahamas include renting a car for flexibility and exploration, but remember to drive on the left side. Taxis are available but expect higher fares, so negotiate before hopping in. Public buses offer a more affordable option, though schedules may be flexible. For island hopping, inter-island flights facilitate visiting remote locations. Resorts and cities like Nassau may have shuttle services or organized tours. Plan ahead, familiarize with routes and schedules to make the most of your Bahamas experience and explore all its beauty. Number 5. Language and communication. The official language of the Bahamas is English, making it easy for English-speaking tourists to navigate and communicate with locals. However, the locals also have their own dialect known as Bahamian English. It's always helpful to learn a few common phrases in the local dialect to show respect and make connections with the people you meet. In popular tourist areas, many people also speak Spanish due to the influx of Spanish-speaking visitors. Additionally, most hotels, restaurants, and tourist attractions have staff who can communicate in multiple languages, including English, Spanish, and French. Number 6. Safety tips for travelers. When heading to the Bahamas, prioritize safety for an enjoyable trip. Stay alert of your surroundings, avoid tourist scams, and be cautious while swimming. Protect against the intense sun with high SPF sunscreen, hats, and shade. Stay hydrated in the hot, humid climate, especially during outdoor activities. Use reliable transportation like taxis or buses, and keep valuables secure. Respect the diverse marine ecosystem and coral reefs by not causing damage. By following these safety tips, you can fully relax and make the most of your Bahamas vacation, knowing you've taken the necessary precautions for a worry-free experience. Enjoy the tropical paradise responsibly. Number 7. Accommodation options. When it comes to finding a place to stay in the Bahamas, you have plenty of options. From luxurious resorts to cozy vacation rentals, there is something to suit every budget and preference. If you're looking for a more intimate experience, consider booking a boutique hotel or a beachfront villa. For those seeking a resort-style getaway, there are numerous all-inclusive options available with amenities such as pools, spa services, and dining options. Additionally, there are also budget-friendly guesthouses and hostels for the budget-conscious traveler. No matter where you choose to stay, the beautiful beaches and stunning views are sure to make your stay unforgettable. Number 8. Dress comfortably. When visiting the Bahamas, it's important to dress comfortably. The tropical climate means that lightweight and breathable clothing is a must. For loose-fitting clothes made of natural fabrics, such as cotton or linen, to keep cool and avoid overheating. Don't forget to pack a wide-brimmed hat, sunglasses, and sunscreen to protect yourself from the sun's rays. Also, remember to bring swimwear, as the Bahamas is home to stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters that are perfect for swimming and water activities. Number 9. Popular tourist attractions. The Bahamas is known for its stunning natural beauty and abundance of activities for visitors to enjoy. Some of the most popular tourist attractions include the stunning beaches of Nassau and Paradise Island, where you can relax, swim, and soak up the sun. The Exuma Land and Sea Park is a must-visit for nature lovers, offering opportunities for snorkeling, diving, and wildlife spotting. For history buffs, a visit to the historic sites of Fort Charlotte and Queen's Staircase is a must. And of course, no trip to the Bahamas is complete without exploring the famous Pig Beach, where you can swim with adorable and friendly pigs. Number 10. Etiquette and cultural norms. When visiting the Bahamas, it's important to respect the local customs and cultural norms. Bahamians are known for their friendly and welcoming nature, so be sure to greet people with a smile and a handshake. It's considered polite to use good morning, good afternoon, or good evening when entering shops or restaurants. Additionally, dressing modestly and covering up when visiting religious sites or local villages is greatly appreciated. Lastly, tipping is customary in the Bahamas, so be prepared to leave a 15 to 20% gratuity for goods. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit the like button below and make sure you subscribe to see our new future videos. Also, please let us know in the comment section what is your favorite place that everyone should visit. Be blessed and thanks for watching.